2009 Yukon DENALI XL 6.2 liter beast. What we got done on it, got factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single. He's gonna bring it back. We're gonna do true duals after he puts a cam in it into 10-inch tips, believe it or not, guys. So stay tuned. Anyways, let us know what you guys think about that. Should he do it or should he not? We did a muffler delete on it, 3-inch right there. Then it's got a 3.5-inch tailpipe. Still got the factory resonator. He didn't want the rasp. He wanted the sound without the rasp. I don't blame him. Into a 5-inch roll tip. We'll have a link in the description for that tip for you guys. And like always, guys, please subscribe and like and comment, because that's what keeps us going and keeps the videos coming. So again, hope you guys like it. Let us know what you guys think. 2010 Yukon GMC DENALI. Still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then it wires into a single 3-inch, and we put this race muffler, Flowmaster. If you guys want this muffler, we'll put you the link in the description. Then a 3-inch pipe out the back into a 4-inch by 18 rolled edge tip right there. This is the muffler we took off of it. And the resonator, I don't know, was a resonator there too. You always want to take both of them off to make it sound real good. As you guys can see, the Flowmaster's tiny. See? Tiny muffler. It's 325108 is the number on it. Let you guys hear it in a minute. Much better. Oh, you can't. Straight pipe Yukon, baby. Sound decibels, again. Right at 108. Oh, it peaked at 110 when you raised it a little bit more. Go ahead and back it up. GMC Yukon. He drove all the way from Kentucky for us. He's a regular customer of ours. We really appreciate all his work and support. That sounds so good. What do you guys think? Let us know. I think it sounds phenomenal. Woo-hoo-hoo. Man, that sounds good. What do you think? I like it. What do you think? You like it? Give a guess. Yeah. Oh yeah. 2010 GMC Yukon DENALI. GMC Yukon beast. Family car that needs sound. That's what I like. If it was up to me, I'd make everything loud.